my April favorites. I know it's really hot and we're all melting, but I'm going to tell you some things that I'm loving. Okay guys, how are you surviving this heat wave? This is definitely not my favorite. It is so hot. Are you surviving? Are you melting? Well, I've got something to cheer you up. My favorite song. It's an old school song from when I grew up. It's a song that I absolutely love. Like, it was my favorite then. I heard it like a while ago this month, and again I've kind of gotten into it. It was also on my Insta stories because I'm so into it again. Listen. Ding, 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 ding. I wanna know, my lovely. I wanna know, where do you go? This is the most I have ever sung for you guys, and it's purely because I love this song so much, guys. So it's kind of like, you know, this was like a song when I was growing up that I loved. Like, we used to blast this song and it was everywhere. And I remember the video, and if you don't have a link in below, please watch it. But it is like one of those iconic songs by the group called No Mercy. Yeah. And yeah, I mean, I just love it again. Up next, we have one of Mars and my favorites, Heads Up for Tails. Okay, so this is our favorite pet destination. We are super excited to collaborate with them because Mars has been their customer since he was a little puppy. I think he like his first collar I bought from there. I've been going to their stores and ordering from them for the last 3 years since I've had Mars. So it feels amazing to actually collaborate with them. They have an amazing online presence. Their website, you know, you can order from across the country. You get everything for any pet that you will need, you will find there, which is what I love. Like, one place for everything. They have 52 stores and 7 of those are in Bombay and 1 of them is in my neighborhood, which suits me just fine because I feel like in the pandemic, it was amazing to actually have them so close by where you can just, you know, go and buy all your staples. I love to do that. I'm one of those people that actually loves to go to pet stores. Browse, get, you know, like their food, poop bags, wipes, all my basics that I usually get every like month. Obviously, you can get your beds, leashes, toys, all of that. But for even just my staples, I like to kind of go in, you know, browse, pick up what I like. And it's a thing for me. Like, I do this pretty much once a month. And what I love is that they also just take orders on WhatsApp if you're in a fix. So for me, that was great in the pandemic. You just message them, they deliver what you need, which is fab. Yeah, so they're everywhere, online, on WhatsApp, or you can just enter one of their stores and it's a really lovely experience. Let me show you what I just got. So we've got treats for Mars and Sammy. We've got a tug toy for Mars. We've got a toy for Sammy as well. And yeah, wipes, sanitizer, poop bags, your basic stuff, and lots of kibble. So guys, if you're looking for any pet supplies, Heads Up for Tails is where you should be going. They have literally everything, and we have a special code for you guys. It's a discount code. Link is in the description. Details are in the description. Check it out. Up next, we have this guy. So this is the Schwarzkopf Bonacure Color Freeze Shampoo. So I don't know if you remember when I colored my hair pink, I asked you guys on Insta, this is recommended by you guys, what you guys use as a color protect shampoo, and that has really worked for people who've colored their hair like pink, purple, like those kind of colors. And most people recommended this guy. I have been using it for a few weeks and I love how it has maintained my color. So you guys know I'm obsessed with washing my hair. I wash my hair all the time. And I was kind of scared that this would fade really quickly, but it's been a few weeks and this is getting the job done. So I am liking this. Ow, I just hit myself. But I'm still liking this. Favorite movie? Okay, it has to be Coda. What a beautiful movie. It is just the most amazing story. Brilliant acting, and it's just one of those movies that, you know, you feel great watching, and like you feel connected to the family. Like, watch it, just watch it. Fashion favorite, blue Birkenstocks. So you guys know I'm obsessed with Birkenstocks. I've had them. I think I've spoken about my tan ones a zillion times before because I've been wearing them for the last 2 years pretty much every day. Got the blue ones recently. These are part of their new collection. I really love these and I've been wearing these a lot. I love the color and I just feel like it gives that instant pop to any kind of outfit. So yeah, obsessed with my new Birkenstocks. Favorite moment. Okay, so there are two actually. I'm gonna have to cheat because one is from last month, but I had shot my favorites because I was flying to Delhi, remember? And that is kind of my favorite moment, like flying to Delhi on the plane. You know, kind of when a plane takes off or lands, no matter how many times you've flown, you have this kind of feeling in your belly, like butterflies or like a, you know, like a weird wooziness of like, okay. And I had totally forgotten that feeling of just takeoff and landing, and it just felt so good to be on a flight after over 2 years, and it just was like that feeling, you know what I mean? Like I can't put it in words, but you know what I'm talking about. Just to feel that was amazing. And the next moment is obviously when I colored my hair and when I came home, because it was just like this really bright pink. Like I think now it's more purpley, like I said it would be. But when the day I came home, it was like chatak magenta pink, and I really liked that. I feel like, again, for me, hair color is kind of like a way to experiment, to express yourself, to have fun with your hair. And this is definitely, I think, the most fun I've done as a color. Like I did red, I know, but like red was like very red. This is like a mix and it's fading into something else. And yeah, favorite moment was when I went pink. Up next, we have these cookies, which are really dangerous, guys. So Pooja Dhingra sent me a whole bunch of boxes of her cookies, and I have not been able to stop eating them, and you will see why. So what's amazing is that they are individually packed like this, and they are so yummy. The cookies are divine. Like, I'm gonna show you guys this one. So soft, so yummy. This is the toffee one. Even the pineapple one, I didn't think I would ever like a pineapple cookie, but it's so yum. But of all the cookies, this one is my favorite, and I have only 2 left now. Can't stop. Time for my favorite shows. Okay, number 1, Love is Blind season 1. So this is the first time I think I've watched the season 2 and then watched the season 1. But season 1 is so good, and I feel like this show is just wild. Like the whole concept is a bit wild, but I love reality TV, you guys know that. So really enjoyed season 1 of Love is Blind as well. 2521, what a K-drama. So this is one of the good ones that came after a while. I don't want to give away a lot about the drama. I'm just going to say watch it. It's really good, and Nahidu is really good. Then we have Bridgerton season 2. Again, a lot of desi stuff happening in Bridgerton. It's nice. I wouldn't say it's not nice. A lot of people were saying that they didn't quite like it as compared to the first season, etc, etc. I enjoyed it, and I really kind of feel like I will keep watching Bridgerton because I like those kind of shows. Like for me, you know, Downton Abbey, Bridgerton, Gilded Age, I would watch them any day, every day. The current K-drama I'm watching is Business Proposal. Again, really nice, really feel good. I've kind of gone into that space again of watching like those cutesy K-dramas, and this one does not disappoint, at least not so far. Then we have another reality show, The Ultimatum, Marry or Move On. Now this is the same, like I guess the same Love is Blind family, like doing, you know, these shows. Again, this is about either people get married or they move on with other partners or decide to like not hang out with that person anymore. Again, lots of like drama, but you know, I just love this reality drama like vibe. I enjoy this mindless TV sometimes, so thoroughly enjoying that. Then we have Anatomy of Scandal. Again, love the show. I think as an English show, very gripping, very quick. I finished it in a day, I think, which was pretty cool because I don't have a lot of patience with English content anymore. As you know, I can watch K-dramas for days on end, but English shows, I'm like, jaldi karo, jaldi karo, jaldi karo, unless they're like reality TV. Which brings me to my next one. Selling Sunset, new episodes. Of course, we've all knew what was coming kind of here because we had seen, I guess, in the media and stuff, what's happened and, you know, all of that already. Like, I don't want to give away any spoilers, but, you know, like, you knew what some of the things that were coming. But again, it's a show that does not disappoint in the reality space. Masala, masala, masala. Then Grace and Frankie is back. I've been watching a lot of it lately. Love, love, love it. Again, really fast, really easy to watch. Quick, you know, like good, like feel good. It's a feel good show that goes by really quickly. And I think I've watched every season so far. Loving this season too. Then on Hotstar, we have the Gilded Age. Again, I thought it ended a bit abruptly this season, but I just like love, love, love the show. As I said, I would watch these kind of shows all day, every day, hoping for the next season to come soon. Then we have the Dropout, which is again the docu-drama vibe that I really like. Very kind of like similar to Inventing Anna, like you'll feel like there's similarities. But yeah, a gripping show, very well done, and yeah, you will not be able to stop watching it. Then we have everybody's favorite, This Is Us. You know, this season, they have just knocked it out of the park. Every episode, like when you wait for that weekly episode to come, man, it's so, so good. Then on Amazon Prime, we have Outer Range. It's a weird, like, sci-fi-ish show as well as, like, you know, like, Bebev and I watched it together. I did really enjoy it. I thought, okay, what's going on? This is strange and, like, there's a random hole in a field, but it's good. So I think those are all my April favorites, guys. Yeah, I think this is it. So you guys know the drill. Comment below with your favorite shows, products, food items, literally anything. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.